When someone abuses my mother, I want to fight him, I want to hit him, I want to kill him every day. Our non-Muslim friends, our non-Muslim neighbors, our non-Muslim colleagues, our non-Muslim people at work, our Christian brothers and sisters, our Hindu brothers and sisters, they are abusing Allah and they are saying Allah has begotten a son. And we don't even open our mouth. What are you afraid of? We say we love Allah more than our mother, more than our father. Someone abuses our mother, you want to fight him, you want to hit him, you want to kill him. Our non-Muslim friends, every day they are abusing Allah. I'm not telling you fight them. I'm not telling you hit them. I'm not telling you kill them. That's not allowed in Islam. I'm only telling open your mouth. Most of us, the Muslims, are sitting on our backside doing nothing. What has happened to us? What has happened to this ummah? We say we love Allah more than anyone in the world, more than everyone in the world, more than our children, more than our mother, more than our father. It is only lip service, namesake. Wallahi, if we love Allah more than our mother, more than our father, more than ourselves, we will not sit on our backside doing nothing. At least open your mouth.